Okay, welcome to question and answer program of chapter 10 of human resource management. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. The first question is, what does EEO mainly protect against dash? Job loss. A. Job loss. B. Discrimination. C. Competition. D. Promotion. The answer for the first question is B. Discrimination. Question number 2. Which group is not typically covered under EEO laws? A. Religion. B. Marital status. C. Performance level. D. Disability. The answer for this question is C. Performance level. Question number 3. What makes quid pro quo harassment distinct? A. Offensive jokes. B. Work interference. C. Exchange for benefits. D. Equal opportunity. The answer for this question is C. Exchange for benefits. Question number 4. Which best describes a hostile work environment? A. High workload. B. Sexual favors. C. In-timed death setting. D. Overtime demand. The answer for this question is C. In-time dating setting. Question number 5. An employee is denied promotion for rejecting advances. What is this? A. Fair hearing. B. Quid pro quo. C. Workforce planning. D. Talent pool. The answer for this question is B. Quid pro quo. Question number 6. A manager educates staff about HIV myths. This is an example of A. Diversity effort. B. Policy violation. C. AIDS training. D. Legal defense. The answer for this question is A. Diversity effort. Question number 7. How does valuing diversity help organization? A. Lowers pay. B. Limits teamwork. C. Boosts innovation. D. Avoids change. The answer for this question is C. Boosts innovation. Question number 8. Why is confidentiality critical in health case? A. Avoids fear. B. Protects image. C. Respects privacy. D. Cuts costs. The answer for this question is respects privacy. Respects privacy. Question number 9. Which action best supports an inclusive culture? A. Uniform dress. B. Standard interviews. C. Celebrating differences. D. Replacing managers. The answer for this question is C. Celebrating differences. Question number 10. What is a good measure of empowerment success? A. Longer shifts. B. Customer loyalty. C. Number of emails. D. Salary ranges. The answer for this question is B. Customer loyalty. Question number 11. Through these bias, a firm should design A. Bonus charters. B. Diversity policies. C. Uniforms. D. Pay scales. The answer for this question is B. Diversity policies. Question number 12. Which is a key element in writing an AIDS workplace policy? A. Mandatory disclosure. B. Reduced pay. C. Equal treatment. D. Hearing freeze. The answer for this question is C. Equal treatment. Question number 13. Which harassment type is based on job-related pressure? A. Peer pressure. B. Hostile environment. C. Quid pro quo. D. Social tension. The answer for this question is C. Quid pro quo. Question number 14. Diversity management promotes A. Uniformity. B. Exclusiveness. C. Inclusion. D. Rejection. The answer for this question is C. Inclusion. Question number 15. Assigning authority to solve customer issues show dash. A. Hearing bias. B. Employee empowerment. C. Layoff planning. D. Output control. The answer for this question is B. Employee empowerment. Question number 16. What makes employee empowerment effective? A. Flexible hours. B. Extra equipment. C. Proper training. D. Office size. The answer for this question is C. Proper training. Question number 17. Which choice reflects a firm's valuing diversity? A. Ignoring race. B. Promoting only seniors. C. Offering cultural training. D. Using same forms. The answer for this question is C. Offering cultural training. Question number 18. To support environment, managers must dash. A. Restrict access. B. Direct tasks. C. Link to resources. D. Cut meetings. The answer for this question is C. Link to resources. Question number 19. Which law in Ethiopia addresses HIV rights at work? A. 350/1999. B. 377/2003. C. 410/2001. D. 398/2002. The answer for this question is B. 377/2003. Question number 20. Why does organization empower workers? A. Reduce jobs. B. Share control. C. Avoid laws. D. Track hours. The answer for this question is D. Share control. Okay, This is all about question and answer program of chapter 10 of human resource management. Thank you for attending this program.